my god, what's happening everybody? London is pretty insane today, man. There's so much sunshine and stuff going on. Rana is actually in town, apparently staying over at the, can't remember what hotel it is, it's the one over there. It's yeah, Lanesborough. But before I do that though, I thought you guys might want to see the Ferrari F8 in the wild.
Copy. Sotto là, sì, dritto, vai, dietro, vieni, ok, vai avanti, vai, penso io, ok, ok, inizierei, sì. Freno. Ok. Ok, grazie.
Bye. How you feel better?
Take it easy.
You feel better?
See you soon, a little bit better now. Ciao.
Well done. Cheers.
That is the F8 Tributo. Yeah, it's obviously a completely different day. I forgot to say that if you want to learn more about the Ferrari F8 Tributo, I made another video previously. It was when it was getting delivered over at HO and Ferrari, so you can check that out somewhere here, whatever. There's a bit more detail about power, specs, and all that stuff. So yeah, if you're interested, check it out somewhere around here. And yeah, thanks for watching, people, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace out. Peace out. I think out is this way, isn't it? Okay.